Ladies and gentlemen, green tea Cosmopolitan. So I discovered this one in Amsterdam. A bartender made this for me. Ice in the glass. And this is Jennifer. It's a Dutch gin. That's the easiest way to describe this. Okay. Pour that in. And then we come behind with some Arizona green tea with ginseng honey. This is exactly what he used too. And then we squeeze in some lime juice. Okay. Then come behind with a bit of Cointreau. And then some honey water, which is just honey and water kind of heated together so to make the honey more easily dissolvable in drinks. And then we pour that in. Beautiful, beautiful. You should see his shake though. He had one of them fancy mixologist shakes. No mixology dudes go with the crazy shake. Little orange peel. I think he might have used a light on his, but whatever. Slip that in. Cool drink. Okay, so next time you grab one of the Arizona teas, that's what you do with it.